So I'm just going to pour the oil in. I'm preheating a pan here at medium-high. So first thing we have here 6 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorns. So this will give a nice numbing effect as well as a little bit of heat. So put that right on the pan here. I have a teaspoon of regular peppercorn. I got 2 cinnamon sticks. Here we have 12 whole chilies. So make sure it doesn't burn. You just shake it a little bit here. And the whole chilies, they'll burn, they'll turn black. So make sure you just keep it going. We're just going to keep it at medium heat here. I've got 2 bay leaves. These ones are a little bit crushed up, so I'll just put 2 of them in. So this is the orange lemon peel, the mandarin orange peel. So here I have about 1/3 to 1/2. So just put that in there. So the cardamom, I like to give it a good smash just to release the flavor. So I just take a cleaver and just give it a good smash like that, just to open up some flavor. Probably one more. There we go, like that. So here are the smashed cardamom I'm going to put in now. There's 3 of them. So this orange peel, I'm just going to tear it up a little bit here, just to release some flavor. So next I'm going to put a cup of vegetable oil. I have the peanut oil. That's my favorite oil for cooking right now. So put that in and let it simmer. So you can get more heat. You can add the Sichuan powder if you like. You can also add chili powder, which is stronger. But for me, I just like it this way. I don't need the maximum heat or spiciness. So the oil has been bubbling for 5 minutes, maybe slightly more. So I'm just going to shut down the heat right now to let it cool for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to put the oil into the chili flakes and the whole chilies. So I have a strainer here, so I'm just going to pour the oil in. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt. You can add anywhere from say 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. So just put that in there and just give it a quick stir there. And I'll just let the chili oil cool a little bit more before I put it in a jar. So the chili oil will last about a month if you leave it outside, and the chili oil will last maybe even up to 2 or 3 months if you leave it in the fridge. Stay tuned for my recipe for chili oil wonton using my own homemade chili oil. So that will be coming up very shortly. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.